What other kind of interesting cases are you guys seeing?
Well, that's there are a number of cases that are running around out there that follow the same theme of protecting or being more conscientious of business interests. There's a damages case that's also out that's in front of the Tennessee Supreme Court that will be coming down shortly, hopefully. And without getting too technical, in Tennessee, when you have a medical expense claim for a personal injury action, the jury gets to see your actual amount of medical expenses, not the amount that the insurance company paid. And as everyone knows, that's a significantly decreased amount.
Right.
There's a case that's come out from the Court of Appeals that arguably says, well, now, although we're not going to waive what's called the collateral source rule, you may have the opportunity to present the jury with some of that information related to what the insurance company paid, and obviously it's going to have an effect on an overall award. There's going to be some determination from the Tennessee Supreme Court on that, and I think most commentators suggest that there will be some ability for defense counsel to show a jury what the actual amount is paid and probably have a big effect on damages.
If you're in a car accident and you have medical damages, but you have insurance, and so your actual expenses is $1,000, but your medical expenses before the insurance negotiated rates and all that stuff was $120,000.
Yeah.
In the past, you were entitled to the $120,000, and then they didn't take into account how much money you may have been paid by your insurance company, or that your insurance company negotiated a lower fee for those services.
Right.
And so now you might only get the $1,000?
That's right. Or at least in terms of your damage component, that's what the jury could consider, what your actual medical expenses were.
But your actual...
It's worked like that for medical malpractice for a long time, but that's a special category that the legislature has always, treated differently than the general public. Yeah. And the argument on the other hand is, well, look, I'm not getting the full value of my claim if you're going to discount it that way. And there's all kinds of complications with how that works with TennCare and other types of scenarios like that. So.